Welcome back, guys. It's Fun Place. Today we have this Imaginarium Express Dino train set. Let's get started. Here we have the Triceratops. Let's set him right here. Here comes the giant T-Rex. Oh look, who's this? It's a Bronchiosaurus. Let's set him up right here in the water. He loves the water. Here's Ankylosaurus. Let's set him up next to the palm trees. Here we have a palm tree. Set it up right here. And a little bush next to it. Here's the Stegosaurus. We'll set him up right here. By the mountain. And the Velociraptor. We're gonna set him right next to Triceratops. Alright, our setup is now complete. Look how amazing it looks. So colorful. Our dinosaurs look hungry. We have some herbivores, which are plant eaters. And we also have carnivores, which are meat eaters. Let's call in the train so we can feed our dinosaurs. There's our engine. Our water tank. And the ones that carry the food. Here we have meat for our carnivores. And some plants for our herbivores. Okay, feeding time, let's go! First up is a Triceratops. Here are your plants.
Yummy, yummy, I was so hungry.
And we have a meat eater. The Velociraptor. Time to eat.
This meat is so delicious. I was starving.
Now it's time to feed our T-Rex. He's helping us hold down our bridge. Here you go. Here's your meat.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Moving on, we have more dinosaurs to feed.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Our train had a little accident. We're ready to keep going. Oh, there's still 3 hungry dinosaurs over here. Let's feed our Stegosaurus.
These herbs are so delicious.
Ankylosaurus, you're up next. Here's your food.
Yummy, yummy, so crunchy.
And lastly, Bronchiosaurus. Here's your food. Okay, our dinosaurs are all fed and happy. Thanks for helping me build this exciting dino train set. I had a great time. Thanks for watching. Bye. If you enjoy our videos and want to join our family, please hit the blue circle here and hit the red button to subscribe. If you want to watch more videos, click here for this video. Or you can click here for this one or up here for this one.